2014 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.